Brand family, don't forget to like and subscribe. So yes, we kind of skip the players, but it's still the game, so let's play. This is the role is a pinning cover. If you want to play, this is you can see my username there. But just don't spam in the chat, okay? Just don't say accept my friend request. I gonna accept it and we fall. Great. That's okay, we can teleport. Wait, I didn't know about this hole. There's a hole hop. Sounds nice, but I don't know how to hole hop, so I'm not doing that. That's hard. Only pros can do that. And but we have the brand family powers, but not the one hop powers. Only the good for. We're so close to the trolling area. I wish we don't get trolled. If we did, if you don't know, guys. Wait, do I have admin? Let me see. Wait, is this me? Come on. Ah, man. Hey, I wish they don't troll. Hey, what do they say? Oh, okay, they said, no, 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 no. Listen. Okay, guys, so if you want to go easy mode, just press the lock button because you can move like this, and that's better for this level. Look, let me just. It's good for this level. Look at this. It's good for this level because it's easier and more nicer. So I'll always and I fell. Great. And don't forget to subscribe, please. And I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers because we're 100 subscribers. It's what is kinda crazy is what? How did I reach 100 subscribers? You know why I asked that? Even though we have the blind family power, because first 45 subscribers to 100. Boom, that's crazy. You know what helped me? What video helped me? The God video. So don't ever unsubscribe, please. But you can subscribe. I don't. Okay, look at this. You have to be skinny like this. Oh, boom, fit. That's success. Who cares? Okay, I wish, and this is easy for this level. Okay, don't fall. Okay, let's go. We're back here. I wish we don't fall. Oh, are they lagging? They're lagging so bad. Or is it my screen is lagging? Or are they lagging? Okay, don't disconnect. Brightness, brightness, Okay. Okay, this is the hardest part. Oh, don't! Now, I accidentally pressed my screen, guys. I accidentally pressed. I said, ah. And I said, but power of the group. Let's go. So, but wait, I forgot. And this looks like a pro because you can do this. Look. can do this. You can do that. Hey, this is the scary part. Bro, when I was making this. Whew. Go watch my videos now after. Wait, first finish watching this video first. And oh! Bro. I'm getting so much right now. And I pressed the wrong button. Bro, no way I pressed the wrong button. Oh. Sorry guys. We're kind of getting in, right? Oh, get. Whoa. Okay, that's the last time we fall. And I jinxed myself. Oh, I think I did not jinx myself. And I jinxed myself for saying, don't. Okay, let's do the blind this one. Of course. There's this, okay, there's no space. Ooh, go. I wish they don't troll. Nah. Wait, do anyone have a slap? Wait, if one of my friends are watching this video, please join me and please slap those trollers. Please. I beg. Okay, what? And we're begging right now. Great. Hey, oh! I did the same, but I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Please don't press the wrong button. Nice one. And I did this. It's not nice one. Ooh. Hey. Oh, I was not ready then. Luckily, I pressed the shots. Ooh. That's why I'm not ready. That's gonna happen. Don't troll anyone except for you. Okay, sorry. Sorry for what you did. Me? Wait, Wolf League is almost World Cup, right? I think they met. No, I think they met World Cup. Oh, bro, no. You're not an admin. I'm an admin. Look. Look at this. Slash. Nice. And boomerang. Bruh. No. That's embarrassing. Raspberry. Did you show them wall flick or wall hop? Oh, that's wall flick. Oh no, that's wall hop. I mean wall flick. I mean wall hop. I mean wall flick. Bro, nah, there's Taurus. Attention everyone. No one friends except for yourself. Turn yourself. Okay. Now they're not running in. And of course, they did not run. Karma. They got what I do here? Bro, I wish I was slap so I can slap or admin so I can give. So, now, if if I fall again, I'm ending this video. Actually, I'm not kidding. Doomed, 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 doomed. But wait, where are we saying doomed? If we gonna get doomed. It's not funny. Boom, 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 guys, oh no. Ooh, 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 ooh. Time to go. Bro, don't wall up. I mean wall up. That's an L bacon, right? Oh, don't wall up. You made a big mistake. Okay, so no, don't do that. See, you made a big mistake. No. Let me dance on this girl emotes. Bro, let me emote. Why can't I emote? No, I wish nobody slaps me or nobody troll. Wait, what troll? What am I talking about? No. Brand family powers. Here we wait. Can we? Can't. Woo! Woo! I'm so scared. Actually. Okay. If you're asking if I'm a pro, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna become a pro if I want win this full map. Wait, I think we're close. No, no, why did I not press the jump? Oh, the end. Wait, I almost died. You know what? Oh, Mimi, you're so pinto. Yeah, we're joining the, we're up. Oh, this guy. Oh, they have the same thing. Let me just zoom. Never mind. Ooh, doomed. And this game is so annoying actually. Don't die. Boom. Oh. Okay, let me say doomed. Every time we make it doomed. Doomed. Wait, I think that's bigger. That size is big. But this one only. Okay, we're gonna shoot a little bit, okay? We're going to the blue part where I accidentally fell. Yeah. And we're not jumping there, we're actually doing this. See? We're doing it there. Nah, we're skipping that stage. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, this is hard. This is harder than you thought, guys. If you guys are saying, bro, this is harder than you thought. You said, nah, this is so easy. You know what? We'll skip. Let's go to pink. Let's go to pink. Right. What? Oh, I did not know about this. No, you have to work hard for that. Nah, you're joking. You don't need to work hard. Cause this is no. This is not. No, that just helps. Oh, we have to do it the normal way. Wait a minute. Wait a oh. Ah, put me back. I played. Oh, oh. So man, this game is rigged. Doomed, doomed. Wait, they have one in doomed, 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 doomed. Get the doomed, 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 doomed. Get the fly and let's fly over to the money side. Oh, no, bruh, bruh. Going, how did we fall? Bruh. He, no distraction. Oh, wait. Let me just go. Now we're doing this. So you can just jump over that and this, this, and jump high as you can, and just jump here, and jump here, and jump here, and jump here. Wait, you thought that's hard? That's just a ladder. Man, what are you doing? This is scary. Oh, oh, they just can't. You thought I'm dying? You thought I'm dying? No, I'm not dying. Okay, why do I say it like that? No! Luckily, we have the flash. You know what? Dude! I deserve to skip that level. But do I deserve it? No. No, I deserve to do this. Hi guys. I'm the brand new boss. Get out! Or I'll blind you. Oh, you want me to blind you? Dum 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 dum. Well, because we won the game, we're going here. Dum, 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 dum. We're so lucky. Lucky. Okay, this is all for today's video, guys. And I have to say, this is what I have to say. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Oh, why did it not work?